We'll keep it.
Welcome back. You're with us on Bazaar Morning Call, and we're coming to you from the CNBC-TV18 Motilal Oswal studios. Well, lots and lots of stocks to track today, and our team is standing by with the CNBC-TV18 list of top stocks to watch. So let's straight away get to the action. Abhishek has his hands full. He's looking at Spandana Spurti. Like I mentioned, there are lots of concerns there with the rating agencies, but there's also Canara Bank and Edelweiss Financial. Abhishek.
Well, to begin with Canara Bank, value unlocking potential is seen now. RBI has approved a divestment of around 13% stake in their Canara Robeco asset management company via IPO, as well as 14.5% dilution of their stake in Canara HSBC life insurance company via IPO. Now, Spandana Spurti, after Fusion Finance, is the second MFI lender to come under radar of rating agencies. ICRA has revised its outlook to negative from stable. The credit rating has been maintained at ICRA A+ negative. However, they say that the key reason for this is that the company has breached repayments of its bonds as well as term loans amounting to 823 crore, and there are early redemption requests for its NCDs worth about 196 crore. So they say that there are headwinds for asset quality which would continue in the near term given the over leverage of borrowers that is there in the system for Spandana Spurti. Now, Edelweiss Fin over there, the alternate asset subsidiary, has filed DRHP for OFS, that is offer for sale, of about 1500 crore via IPO. Now, this company could be India's first initial public offering in the private capitals segment. It is owned by Edelweiss Securities and Investment Limited. As of September 24, CRISIL had a rating of A+, watch negative, rating watch with negative implications that is on the company, because CRISIL says that the rating has been placed on negative watch following material supervisory concerns that was raised by RBI on 29th of May 2024. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Abhishek. Well, let's hop across to Vinny. She's got a whole host of stocks that she's tracking. Vinny, morning, over to you.
Good morning. A couple of stocks that I'm going to start with. First one is Nykaa. We're expecting a bit of a subdued move today for Nykaa after Nykaa Fashion CEO Nihir Parekh has resigned with immediate effect. Do not forget, Nihir had joined the company in 2015, so he's joined as Chief Strategist Officer that time, and he's spent a lot of time in terms of contribution coming in on a Nykaa strategy and fashion front as well. So important and significant resignation coming in there. Right, that's the next one we're talking about. They've secured an order of around 148 crore rupees, and this one is from IIM Raipur for their phase 2 campus. This involves execution, supervision, monitoring, as well as overall development of the campus. This is a cost plus basis contract that they've received. Keep an eye out on rights. We're expecting a positive move. Project is expected to be completed in 23 months. Zaggle, that's the next stock that one should be keeping an eye out on. They've received an arbitration award. There was a case which was going on against Greater Mohali Area and Development Authority. So now they've been awarded 55 crores, so they will be receiving that. Positive impact on the financials is the highlight coming in, so keep an eye out. Green expected here. So Ramco Cements is the last one. They've entered into a partnership with Hanjin Infosystems, which is a Korean company, and this is for to drive digital transformation. So keep an eye out on these stocks today.
All right, Vinny, thank you very much for that. Well, let's talk about a few other names. There's Torrent Power, Ola Electric, and Zaggle Prepaid. Sudarshan has got details. So, morning.
Morning, Prashant. So I have Torrent Power, Angel One instead of Ola Electric, and Zaggle Prepaid. So Torrent Power, it has closed QIP of rupees 3,500 crore, and it has issued more than 2 crore shares at a price of rupees 1,503 per share, and 50% of those shares have been issued to one mutual fund, that is SBI Mutual Fund. And other shares have been issued to Kotak Mutual Fund, New World Fund, and Nippon Life. Angel One, it has released the update for the month of November, and updates are looking a little subdued. While client base is increased, number of orders and gross client acquisitions have come down month on month. Client base is up 2% month on month, while number of orders have come down by 23.5%, and gross client acquisition has slipped 15% month on month, and it's for the second straight month that client acquisition has fallen. Last one is Zaggle Prepaid. It has announced 3 orders in last 2 days, and yesterday the 2 orders are: first, it has signed 2-year agreement with Blink Commerce for its Zoyer solutions, and second is it has signed 1-year pact with Hitachi India for Zaggle Propel Reward solution. So green for Torrent Power and Zaggle, and red for Angel One.
Okay, all right, got that, Sudarshan. Thanks very much. So let's quickly recap our list of stocks to watch. The ones that have positive news flow around them are Canara Bank, Edelweiss Financial Services, RITES, Zaggle India, Ramco Systems, Torrent Power, and Zaggle Prepaid. Stocks that have negative news flow around them are Spandana Spurti, Nykaa, and Angel One.